Today, I will show you Samsung M70H Mini LED TV review. Meet the Samsung M70H Mini LED TV, a 2026 4K smart TV, available in sizes from 43 to 85 inches. Samsung lists features like Mini LED processor, 4K, pure spectrum color, 4K upscaling, endless free content, and soccer mode. Basically, it walks into the store wearing a fancy mini LED jacket and saying, "Yes, I belong near the premium TVs."
Nice.
On paper, the price is the attention grabber. TechRadar reported the M70H as Samsung's most affordable 2026 mini LED line, starting at $349.99 for the 3-inch model. That sounds great, because normally, mini LED pricing makes your wallet fake its own death. But here's the twist. TechRadar also noted these new M-series mini LED TVs do not include QLED color tech, which means this is not the same kind of premium mini LED experience people may expect from Samsung's higher-end Neo QLED models. Now, reviews get spicy. Artings tested the 6.5-inch M70H and called it a very basic entry-level TV, saying it has a 60Hz refresh rate, no HDMI 2.1 bandwidth, and no local dimming, even though it is marketed as mini LED. They also said it struggles with brightness, glare, darkroom contrast, HDR impact, and blurry motion. But hold up, wait a minute. Reddit users are also confused, with one buyer saying the picture and processing were good, but not as good as a mini LED with local dimming. That is the whole M70H story. Decent Samsung processing, decent everyday picture, but the mini LED label may make expectations sprint faster than the TV can run. Final verdict, the Samsung M70H Mini LED TV is fine if you want a budget Samsung 4K Smart TV for casual shows, streaming, and normal living room use. But if you want real HDR punch, deep blacks, serious gaming, or premium mini LED performance, this one may leave you saying, "Wait, that's it?" It is not a scam. It is just marketing wearing sunglasses indoors. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.